Hello, ninth class student. Welcome to online teaching. Student, I myself UP Singh in front of you. Today, student, we will learn about remainder theorem, which is related to polynomial. So let us see what is remainder theorem. If p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than equal to 1 and a be any real number, when p of x is divided by linear polynomial g of x is equal to x minus a. This is the linear polynomial because here the degree of variable is 1. The remainder is p of a. So look at here, how can you prove it? Here dividend is equal to p of x, divisor is equal to g of x. When we divides p of x by g of x, then supposed quotient is q of x and remainder is r. So for clear concept, look at here. Here the dividend p of x, divisor g of x. When p of x is divided by g of x, then suppose quotient is q of x and remainder is r. So now dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We know already about this statement. Now put here in place of dividend p of x is equal to g of x, divisor is g of x, into here quotient q of x plus here remainder is r. In next step, this equal to x minus a into q of x plus r, because here according to a statement of remainder theorem, g of x is given here x minus a. Look at here. Here g of x minus a. Okay. Let x minus a equal to 0. Therefore x will be here a. जब भी हम लोग जीरोज फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो किसी भी पोलिनोमियल को जीरोज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जीरो से इक्वेट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, x माइनस ए इक्वल टू 0 ले रहा हूँ. तो x का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, a हो जाएगा. ओके. नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू x in place of x, here x. So in place of x will be here a. Here x minus a is already given. So in place of x put here a. Then it will be a minus a into q into a. In place of x here put a and plus r will be as usual. Now look at here, a minus a, it will be 0 into q into a, here is a, plus r, 0 into q a, it will be 0 plus r. So here student, remainder means r is equal to p of a. This is proved according to your remainder theorem. Now I have taken example for verification of this remainder theorem, which is proved earlier. Here I have taken example, use remainder theorem and find remainder of x cube plus x square plus x minus 1 if it is divided by x minus a. Here this is linear polynomial. Look at here, how can you do this? By using remainder theorem. Let p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x minus 1, g of x is equal to x minus 1. Once again, g of x is equal to 0, taking g of x equal to 0 for finding the value of x. X minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. By remainder theorem, p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x minus 1. Here in place of x put here 1 by remainder theorem. P of a, here x minus a, so therefore x will be here a, and in place of a is here 1 according to your remainder theorem. P1 is equal to 1 to the power 3 plus 1 square plus 1 minus 1. Here will be 1 plus 1 minus plus 1 minus 1. This plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So the result will be 2. This is the method for finding remainder by remainder theorem. You can also find out remainder by long division method also. Okay. Now let us see next theorem, that is factor theorem. So what is the factor theorem? Look at here. Here factor theorem, if p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than is equal to 1, here n is the degree value of polynomial and a is any real number, then first x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0. Okay, and in other words this can be p a equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Look at here, I have taken a simple example for clearing your concept. Look at here, when student, here I divide 8 by 2. Okay, 8 by 2, because 8 is p of x, 2 is g of x. Then here after dividing 8 by 2, the quotient will be 4 and remainder will be 0. Okay, then we can say here 2 is factor of this 8, as well as 4 also will be factor of 8. Okay, here 2 is a factor of 8 as well as 4 also. Understood? Let us see how can you prove this theorem. According to your theorem, here let p of x is equal to dividend, g of x is equal to divisor, because here g of x is given x minus a and this is linear polynomial. When p of x is divided by g of x, then by remainder theorem gives remainder is equal to p of a. Okay, we have already studied about it. Now write down here, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now put in place of dividend p of x is equal to divisor here g of x into quotient here q of x plus p of a, because when we divide any polynomial by linear polynomial, then remainder is pa. Okay, p of a, sorry, p of a by remainder theorem. Understood? Here I have written q of x is equal to quotient. Now p of x is equal to, here g of x is given, what is given, x minus a into q of x plus 0, because p of a is 0. according to your theorem, factor theorem. In factor theorem, given that P of A is 0. Okay, look at here. Here the factor theorem given that P of A equal to 0. Look at here. Here is given if P equal to 0, P of A is equal to 0. Understood? Now here P of x is equal to x minus A into Q of x. Now look at here. Here two factor x minus A into Q of x. Hence x minus A मीन्स जिससे आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो x minus a, this is linear polynomial, is a factor of P of x, and this is factor theorem. It will be more clear by taking an example. Here I have taken example for clearing this theorem. Look at here. So that x minus 3 is a factor of polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. Solution here. By factor theorem, x minus 3 is a factor of polynomial p of x if p3 equal to 0, means that this x minus 3 will be factor when remainder will be 0. So check whether we are getting remainder 0 or not by factor theorem. So P of 3 equal to 0 कैसे निकाले? x minus 3 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 3. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम लोग जब भी जीरो फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो जीरो से इक्वेट करेंगे. Here P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. Okay, now P3, because here x will be 3. Look at here, 3 to the power 3 minus 3 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 12. After calculation, it will be 27 minus 27 plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Why 0? Look at here. This plus minus cancel. This minus plus also cancel. Here we are observing that remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of px. Thank you. Have a nice day.